I guess the advice or question I had is, so I've got a ton of old ads that still make a little bit of money.
Yeah.
I basically got like 1,000 campaigns right now, and it is killing me.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like, part of me just wants to turn everything off and just start with your method. But like, hey, those still make money, even if it's just like $10 a month here.
Okay, so here's what I would push back on. Is sanity worth $10 a month? Right? So like we get attached to old ads for sure. But my rule is like, okay, if they're not making money, then turn them off. And like I go through like aggressive ad cutting times, right? Where it's like, okay, I want to get rid of old ones. So it's like I'll set my benchmarks. Say, all right, if over the last 30 days these ads have not been profitable, they get removed. And because normally, what do? I look at, okay, last 30 days was profitable. Let me look at year to date. Oh, it was profitable. Okay, we'll keep them on. But like, if they're not profitable in the last 30 days, like obviously something shifted and they stopped making money, right? So who cares about the year to date? So I think it's just, you just got to disconnect the emotion from it and just go based on what you want to do. If it's cleaning up all your old campaigns, clean them up. Having said that, I still have some campaigns that are like 2 or 3 years old that are still running, and they probably only have like 1 or 2 targets left in them though, because everything else has been turned off because it just stopped converting. But those they still make a bit of money. How often do I look at them? Like probably never, right? Because they're just too small and they just don't show up on, when I'm doing an audit of the account or something like that. So I don't know if that kind of gives you some ideas.